how do you feel about the impending destruction of your home?
Ice Bear likes Turtle. Ice Bear is still proud of you. Proud Bear.